What's up, guys? Listen, I'm sorry about my last video. I didn't want to do a whole lot of editing to it. I just put it together, didn't talk or anything. I'm going to make up for it this time. I'm going to talk a little bit through it again like I did on the first bracket finals video. By the way, this is my second bracket finals video. This is Saturday at bracket finals. I've got my run slips right here. I'm going to talk with you through them. So that way you guys can, I don't know. I'm just going to talk. Alright, so we didn't get a time run, which really sucked because I'd never been to that track except for yesterday, or yesterday, and this is the second day of racing. But anyway, I've made like 5 passes down the track, right? And we just jumped straight into a race. They're like, nah, you don't get no time trials. So I didn't know what to do, so I dialed the car at 10:42. But luckily, I was racing against somebody from my own track. For the second time, after being in Memphis, there's like 500 cars there, and I keep pulling up beside of people that I've raced against at my home track. But anyways, it was a buyback round, so if you lose that round, you can pay so much money and get back into the race, right? So we split buybacks, and he said, let's just run it out like a time trial. Just hold it to the mat, not trying to judge the top end or anything. And I said, all right, I'm cool with that. So I was actually going to get a time trial in this round, so it didn't really matter what I dialed it. But I ended up with a 047 light, and got to the top end, and I ran a 10:58. Remember, I had dialed it at 10:42, so it ran way slower than what I dialed. I did not see that coming. So we come up here for first round in Sportsman. Still no buyback, or still no time trial. And it's still a buyback round too, so, helped it out a little bit, made it a little bit better. But I thought for sure it would pick up, after running the 58, I think. Yeah, after running the 58. And so I figured it would pick up a little bit. So I put the 10:42 back on the car for the first round of Sportsman. That felt good. Overdrive up, fans on. We're pre-staged. Line that stage, real shallow. Right there. I had a 109 light. Those 100 lights, they suck, really, because, it makes you feel bad. I'd rather be red than 100 green sometimes, until I'm red and the other guy's 100 green. Then I would rather have been 100 green. But, anyway, so, I was 109 green, and ended up running a 10:59 with a 2. Which was slower than last pass. Ran 66.16 miles per hour. Gotta make sure that fan stays on all night, especially if that is not working. Here we are. Second round in no box. Or modified, whatever you want to call it. I finally realized that my car's not going to run in the 40s tonight. So, put a 1061 dial in on the car. Did my burnout, staged it and everything. 068 green, which is terrible. It's not terrible, but not what I wanted it to be. But I ended up running dead on with an 8 and got the win because the other guy went red. Yeah. 65.55 miles per hour. I don't know why the mile per hour was so slow, but I got the win. That's all that matters. I want to deeply apologize to both my fans and followers and myself, because I don't know what I was thinking. I pushed the little button to take a picture on the GoPro, and then when I got to the finish line, I pushed the little button to take a picture again. So I didn't record the second round of Sportsman, but I had the time slip here, luckily. I dialed it a 1062, and I was 105 green. The other guy was 008 green. I finally went in the 1040s. It was 1044 with an 8. Yeah. High gear, fans off, overdrive's on, free stage, looking for it, looking for it, looking for it. Where is it at? There it is. Go ahead and go into stage 2. I'm in shallow. I don't know what to tell you guys on the last video because I didn't have a run slip for that one. So I've got one video without a run slip and one run slip without a video. I don't know. I don't remember what I dialed the car. But after, all in all, I still had fun. This is only day 2. We've got 3 days in Memphis, so there's still one more video coming to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to talk a little bit more, get my confidence up a little bit. Sometimes I'd have little notes written down here, and I'd glance at my notes, and I think that messed me up a little bit more than helped me, so I'm just going with the flow now. I figured out how to cut the bad parts out, so when I start going, I can cut it out. It's me. I don't know. I'm just trying to talk too fast or something. I don't know what I'm going to say. But anyway, like, share, comment, push all the buttons. Follow me on everything: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. At Muncey Racing's the tag. Follow Muncey Racing. Subscribe on YouTube. We're still giving away a T-shirt. We're still going to give away a T-shirt to one of our top fans. You have to have the badge to be eligible. But out of all the top fans of every week of the month of November, I'm going to put them all in somehow do a drawing. I might put numbers on a chip and assign everybody a number or something. I don't know. I'll figure that out next week. We're already most of the way through the month, so there's only one more week to be eligible to win a T-shirt, but we've got an awesome design. One of our lucky fans is going to win a T-shirt that you can only win. You'll never be able to buy this T-shirt design. On the back, it says, support local drag racers, Muncey Racing, top fan. It's got 5 stars on it. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's an amateur design. I designed it myself, so I'm proud of it. On the front, you're going to have, on the right side, you're going to have your name, because you have the right to wear your name. It's how I always remembered it in the military. Left side, Muncey Racing, because you love Muncey Racing. Muncey Racing loves you. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
Gotta make sure my hat looks good, my hair and everything. Scratch my head. Alright. This thing's dead. Huh.